Hello South Africa. Today is Monday, 12 December 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. Beachgoers seen swimming in Hartenbos despite shark sighting. Just look at these beachgoers who were seen swimming in Hartenbos despite shark sightings and beach closure. Photographer Christiaan Stopforth of drone Fanatics SA recently caught this on camera. In the photos, a white shark flag can be seen on the beach. A white flag with a black shark means a shark in the water is visible to spotters. Stay on the beach. At certain beaches, sirens will sound when a shark is spotted. If you are in the water when this happens, leave the water quickly but calmly. A green flag means the water is clear and no sharks have been spotted. 2 young girls, aged 12 and 15, drowned in KZN on Saturday. Paramedics said the 2 young girls, both friends, drowned after they were swept out to sea by strong rapids. The Mi-7 National Group's emergency medical services was dispatched after a request for assistance from the police's search and rescue teams in Park Riney, South Coast. It is believed their families were holidaying in the area, and the girls, aged 12 and 15, were playing in the surf when the current pulled them deeper. Extreme heat advisory for the city of Cape Town. The South African Weather Service, SAWS, issued an extreme discomfort advisory for the Western Cape on Sunday, December 11th. The extreme discomfort advisory is valid from 10 o'clock until 2100 hours on Monday, December 12th. Very hot and dry conditions will result in very uncomfortable conditions where temperatures in the high 30s are expected over the city of Cape Town, Swartland municipalities and western parts of the Cape Winelands districts, Western Cape, tomorrow, said the Weather Service. Man gets life imprisonment for killing his mother in fight over money. The Verulam Regional Court handed a Durban man a life sentence on December 7 for the 2021 murder of his mother. Shailendra Samath was convicted of killing his mother, Omila Samath. The 37-year-old allegedly stabbed the victim multiple times in Everest Heights during a fight over money in July 2021. Samath then took his mother's cash and fled the scene. The Verulam court sentenced the man to life imprisonment for murder and an additional 15 years for robbery. This is going to finish our movement. Yenjini disqualified. Tony Yenjini, who once occupied the role of Chief Whip of the African National Congress, ANC, was informed that he was disqualified from contesting any National Executive Committee, NEC, positions at the party's upcoming National Elective Conference. The ANC Electoral Committee told Yenjini he was barred from competing as he previously served a 4-year prison term after being found guilty of fraud related to the notorious arms deal. The vetting information at our disposal reveals that you have a historical record of being found guilty of serious crime in a court of law for which the prison sentence had been more than 6 months, read the letter from Kalima Motland, the head of the ANC Electoral Committee, to Yenjini. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.